Hi, I'm Miss Fair, and today we're going to learn about suffixes. Suffixes are word parts that come at the end of a word. Identifying suffixes can help us read words quickly and accurately. Also, knowing different word parts like base words and suffixes can help us break down longer, unfamiliar words and figure out what they mean. Let's look at this word. We got the word break. I'm going to use this word in a sentence. Please do not break the plate. Or if you look at the picture there, I'm sure your teacher would probably say, please do not break the pencil. But the word break, let's look at the next one. What if we add able, which is a suffix, to the end of the word break? That would make this word breakable. The word breakable. I'm going to use it in a sentence. The plate is breakable. This means that it could crack or shatter quite easily. Let's look at some of these words on this other page. Okay, what do you notice about all these words? Let's think about it. Well, they all like to end with A-B-L-E. 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 This is the suffix, able. So we're going to draw a circle around it. This right here will help you. This is the suffix able. And able means you're able to do something. Like this is the base word fix. This means fixable, means able to fix. Enjoy, that's the base word. Enjoy. Able is the suffix. Enjoyable means able to enjoy something. And then here's your base word, read. Readable, which means able to read. Okay, let's look at the next page. These are bigger words, but that's okay. We'll be able to read them after we identify the suffix. Let's look and see if we can find the suffix. Oh, there it is, A-B-L-E. That's the suffix, A-B-L-E. Look, able. 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 Okay, those are all suffixes. Remember, a suffix comes at the end of a word. Okay, this is your base word. Well, in this case, it's not us. It's use, but we had to drop the E because it was silent before we added the suffix. And then preventable. That's prevent. Okay, that's the base word, prevent. And when we put it together, it says preventable. It means you're able to prevent it. Agreeable. Agree is the base word for agreeable. Okay, let's look at the next page. Look at those words. What do they all end with? They also end with the suffix able. Let's identify those. I'm going to let you try to identify them first. What do you see? A-B-L-E. You circle it. You can circle it with your finger if you want on the screen. And then you can underline with your finger. So what's that word? Treatable. Treatable. Let's identify the suffix here. Again, it's able. And then what's this big word? Depend. Dependable. You're able to be depended on. Able. Here's your suffix. And then what's the base word? Eat. And we say edible. Edible or eat. We don't say eatable. But anyway, you have treatable, dependable, and edible. Now, it was easier to read them after you identified the suffix, right? Because you were able to say, oh, I've seen that word before. I know what that is. It's cool. You did a good job. Erase this. Okay, same thing. Oh, there's like big, long words. But if you break it apart and you look for the suffix, it'll make it a little easier. Let me go back. It took me off that slide. Okay, let's look over and see what we have. We have able here, able here. Now, after you identify the suffix, you'll be able to see the base word, and it'll make it easier to read. We got teachable, likeable, writeable. All of those have the base word able. The suffix able. The base word is teach, like, and write. Good job, guys. Okay, so let's wrap this up. What is a suffix? A suffix is a word part at the end of a word. And then why is it helpful to be familiar with different suffixes? That's right. Suffixes help us to read words quickly and accurately. And suffixes can help us break down longer, unfamiliar words. So I hope this helped you with suffixes and helped you to know what a suffix is and how it can be helpful to you. Bye.